Hi everyone, Captain Neptune Mehta here again with a new video regarding insurance certificates getting renewed on 20th February. What is this? It is a certificate. It's a vessel's certificate, insurance certificate. You might have heard of the P&I. It's kind of P&I, certificate of entry. So these certificate, ये जो इंश्योरेंस का सर्टिफिकेट है ये रिन्यू होता है ऑन द डेट 20th February. एवरी शिप, एवरी टाइप, कोई भी शिप पे, किसी भी शिप पे जाइए आप, कंटेनर्स होने दो, टैंकर्स होने दो, बल्क कैरियर्स होने दो, एनीवेयर, द इंश्योरेंस सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ द शिप विल बी रिन्यूड ऑन 20th of February. क्यों ऐसा? लेट्स लर्न विद द स्टोरी. बहुत पहले की बात है. When this insurance things started or about to start, जब ये शुरू हो रहा था, तो shipping company and the insurance company they sat together with certain conditions, कुछ उनकी बातें, कुछ इनकी बातें, and then finally they came up with a deal somewhere in December. दिसंबर में सारी बातें हुई, शिपिंग कंपनी एंड इंश्योरेंस कंपनी दोनों साथ में बैठ गए, lot of discussions and lot of conditions with a certain amount. So when this shipping company and the insurance company they both sat together, they had a deal, सब कुछ हो गया final in the month of December. So then why not to start on the 1st of January? अगर दिसंबर में सारी बातें हो ही गई हैं, shipping company is happy, insurance company is happy, then why not to start on the 1st of January? Insurance company क्या बोलती है कि there is a sea which is named Baltic Sea. If you see on the world map, it is next to Finland, वहाँ पे है, it is extreme north. And Baltic Sea में ice रहते हैं. Even now, उस जमाने में तो बहुत ज़्यादा थे. The ice was so severe कि ships अंदर जा ही नहीं सकते. The ships can't enter into the Baltic Sea. So the insurance company said कि अगर इस कंडीशन में ships जाएंगे, there are more chances of getting damage, accidents. So they thought कि अगर ऐसे कंडीशन पे हम शुरू करते हैं इंश्योरेंस, so we will lose, उनका घाटा हो जाएगा, chances are more for getting damages. So they said कि एक काम करते हैं, we shall wait for the Baltic Sea ice to start melting. So this ice melting started in the month of February and it came to navigable water, somewhat navigable water on 20th of February. So 20 फरवरी से जो वहाँ का आइस था, it was a kind of navigable. So जब वो navigable हो गया 20 फरवरी से, तब इंश्योरेंस कंपनी बोलती है कि ओके, वी शैल स्टार्ट द इंश्योरेंस थिंग फ्रॉम टुडे. सो द डेट वाज 20th of February. So it is continuously being renewed every year on 20th of February. So next ship, whenever you think of insurance certificate, just remember the date 20th of February. Thank you guys. See you again in some other video.